Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sport. The exterior of this Wrangler, we have power and heated door mirrors, rear backup camera, and easy to remove hardtop. Inside you'll find comfortable, easy to clean cloth seating for 5, push to start technology, and automatic temperature control. The 7-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Jeep Wrangler has less than 11,000 miles, factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron a call at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.